like 20.
Itu 0.5 like that. You count up.
Oh wow. Wait, like that?
I 10 homeless kids.
You think him?
Autistic.
Yes, I am. God damn.
Like dark. Like she's like.
What are you talking about? Hey, 17, 15, 14, 13.
Okay, say happy Chinese New Year.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I think we should open our one.
The starving children. The starving children.
One also. It's the microwave not working. It's like not hot at all.
It's not
It's not working eh.
Power level. Oh my god.
We just
Oh, just touch the food. It's probably not the trading.
Hey shit, it's actually not making
Real.
oh that's
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, what?
express defrost.
Imagine using an oven.
I hope it explodes.
5 minutes.
No, put it at No, put it at first. Put it at first. You know why? Then you see if it. What the frick?
Wait, what's going on?
Wait.
Put it up, bro.
Maybe cause like
You have to put like one thing at a time.
yeah. Does Jati have microwaves?
I don't care.
Guys, we might
fire.
never get to eat it. Oh my god.
Can you go ask them?
Who ask them?
The freaking.
Well, ask for freaking pot and
Right,
white. Look for water to cook.
Ew, hell nah. I'm gonna ask about that. Excuse me. Excuse me. The machine, the microwave is not working. Like, it's not heating up the food. We put in for 5 minutes, but it's not working. Guys, please don't touch the microwave. The guy is helping.
Okay, guys, move.
Move. The machine's like not working. Just eating your shit right beside there. You're here?
Oh.
You're here, you're here.
I think you all are the problem. No way in hell we are the problem. Don't counter, speed up.
Can you see me?
No, really, I want the fire noodles. Noodles, they're so good, bro.
Chicken noodles? Hope you can see me.
Are you opening it? Yeah, like using video.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
I don't know if you guys can see it.
Bro, spill.
Bro, are these everything? Are you taking video? Yes, it's still
Esther,
recording.
you wanna buy it? You wanna see you there's like, bro.
Can this even see me? I think so.
You what's wrong with you, Anika? Anika, one.
What should we do this time, bro?
Anika, give me a hook. It's not cool, Oh, it is. It's not.
It's hot. It's hot.
It's not.
It's hot. It's so hot.
Oh my god.
It's so hot. Can you see me? Can you see us?
What you find?
I am trying.
You should text them that there's problem with my phone.
What time is it?
Well, I'll text them.
What time is it?
Where's my stupid phone?
It's
Okay, can
here.
you bring the balls there also? Oh, my phone's there.
It's not gonna work. I think I would prefer hot. It's videoing, that's why.
Mukbang?
Talking to them.
Mukbang?
Come here.
Be hot.
No shit. No, no, it's spicy. I can be cold.
Can you ask if that train is at the Like, bro, later we so much later like, what's the history train for?
Wait, out of 10.
You can already go like,
I don't know hope they can see you, but then you should be able to hear me.
you all come here?
Yeah.
Of course. Today training like what? From 7
Yeah.
7 to 9:30. But then it's confirmed us cleaning, washing more back. It's a flat ass bun. What the heck? Really ah? What's it? Pola. Oh, bun, cheese, chicken.
I feel very Western. I don't know. I feel very sad.
Let's see. Oh, you can see me. Oh my god, you can even see the food. It is so good. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's like actually steaming. The food microwave just worked, guys.
Yeah.
Oh god, is it really hot?
Sorry guys, I'm fatty. What's Esther eating?
Outside the what to eat? You want to eat small? You want something slowly?
You should give me a bite of yours.
Okay. So peel off your thing, let it cool.
Yeah.
But don't let it inside the liver, Been there, over there, under the microwave. Thank you.
Only one more left, is it? Or two more?
You gonna do individually?
Can, later. Let me try your stupid
Wait, we gotta show them your meal. Boom!
I want some of that.
Boom! You? Hey, will you step
I'm
on
a
my
feed order,
shit?
guys.
I swear to God, you don't. Don't spill my taste test! Spaghetti. Oh my god.
Integration can just to go faster.
You Esther is some.
Keep cooking. What is not?
Oh shit.
Such fatties, bro.
That's so far.
That's good. Yes? It's so good. Hey, come try lah.
It's mine.
Okay, ask me you. Yo, I want some.
Holy shit, it's hot.
Guys, I think you should bend.
Ben,
I think you should
do
bend.
mine first.
Wait, let me try mine. You want some then? It's so good. Bend, bitch. Bend.
Really hot.
Yeah, hot. Is this beef? Hey, don't spill it.
No, it's chicken.
Hey, show them your meal. Oh, you're done already.
Hey, you cannot eat beef, ah?
I cannot.
What happened?
Are you Buddhist?
Yeah. I know a friend like that.
I know a lot of friends like that.
I know a lot of people like that.
It's crazy.
After this, I'm gonna eat even more, bro. After this,
Really?
I ask my friends to like, give me everything you got.
I eat the boki as well.
I eat chicken.
Sounds good.
I like to find, but then I here to have.
My store, the convenience store not that good.
Yeah, only 7-Eleven have I think. 7-Eleven is good. Yeah.
I love 7-Eleven food. It's
I
damn
love
good.
7-Eleven chicken breast.
Can't be
I feel
saying that in the church,
Yeah.
guys.
Oh
But
my
I feel
bad,
like
my bad.
Singapore should have like better convenience stores. Like Korea and
Can't be
shit.
saying that in the church.
Sorry guys. But Cheers is a it's a gas station, so it's like
I never knew I appreciated Cheers so much until Nokia.
I know right?
Cannot.
It's so good. If only there's a 6 12
What happened?
The food's like not cooking, yeah.
Don't rush.
God, wait, is the other people there already?
Don't rush. We should go back. And then like,
Me?
You should like start walking.
yeah, we should go back first.
I'm going back.
Yeah, we go back first. Y'all take your time to eat, ah. Don't rush, ah. Y'all can be back eat also.
Yo, Lauren, do you still have noodles?
Okay, bye. This was a 9-minute long mukbang. I'll post this on my YouTube channel.
I want.
You have a beautiful YouTube channel.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
my god, can you send me?
Yeah, okay.
I want the video.
I want to upload your channel.
Can you show me your YouTube channel?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.